Hey y'all, welcome to today's heart-opening flow made to help you reconnect with yourself, release emotional tension, and invite self-love. My name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and I'll be your yoga instructor for this session. Namaste. We're going to start off an easy pose with heart-opening breaths, so sit comfortably with your hands on your knees and your spine tall. You're going to inhale, rolling your shoulders up and back, lifting your heart slightly. You're going to exhale, softening your jaw and dropping your shoulders. As you synchronize your breath and your movement, I want you to imagine yourself breathing in positive energy and exhaling any self-doubt. You are no longer attached to any fears and you are safe in your body. We're going to transition into a tabletop position with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. We're going to inhale, dropping our belly and lifting our tailbone, opening our chest and gazing forward into cow pose. And exhaling, rounding the spine, tucking in the chin to the chest into cat pose. And now we're going to synchronize our breath and our movement. On each inhale, I want you to say in your head, I open myself to true love. And on each exhale, I want you to say, I release all tension. We're going to transition, stepping our right foot forward with our left knee down. We're going to inhale, reaching our arms up, and exhale, bending our elbows to cactus arms and lifting our chest. Make sure that front knee is stacked over your ankle, and I want you to continue to deep breathe. As you're in this pose, I want you to focus on all the love that you have within and embody that energy. And we're going to switch sides. Remember to keep that front knee stacked over your ankle and make sure that your arms are reaching up and you're bending at the elbow as you exhale. I want you to continue to deep breathe as I say this affirmation. With the power of my subconscious mind, I attract love and harmony in all areas of my life because I embody self-love. We're going to transition back into our tabletop position, keeping our hips over our knees. We're going to melt our chest towards the mat with our forehead or chin down in puppy pose. I want you to keep those elbows lifted and broaden your collarbones as you deep breathe. In this pose, I want you to let go of all your worries of what's happening next or what's going to happen or anything that is blocking you, and just be in your present moment. We're going to transition by lying on our bellies with our hands under our shoulders. We're going to inhale, pressing lightly into our hands and lifting our chest up a few inches. And we're going to exhale, keeping our elbows bent and our shoulders down. In this pose, I want you to focus on lengthening your spine and not height in order to open your heart without crunching your lower back. I want you to be open to saying this affirmation in your head or out loud. I am worthy of true love and being in my present moment. We're going to transition into Phoenix pose, so with your forearms on the mat and your elbows under your shoulders, we're going to press into our forearms and lift through our heart. I want you to draw your shoulder blades together and down as you deep breathe. You are loved, needed, and highly supported at this time. And we're going to transition into supported fish pose, so place a pillow or a block under your back and let your head fall as your arms are wide out. And let your chest open naturally as you relax your jaw. Feel all the negative energy being released out of your heart center, and I want you to focus on the loving energy that you have within. You are highly appreciated in all areas of your life, and you are also healed from all suffering in your mind, body, and soul. I want you to embody that energy and move forward into seated forward fold. You're going to sit with your legs extended in front of you. You're going to inhale, lengthening your spine, and exhale as you hinge from your hips, leading with your heart. I want you to continue to deep breathe as I say this affirmation. With the power of my subconscious mind, I embody peace within myself and I let go of the past. We're going to return to easy pose. We're going to return to easy pose with our hand over our heart, and we're going to continue to deep breathe. I want you to repeat out loud or in your head, I am worthy of my own love. At this time, thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this flow helped you reconnect with yourself, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who might need a pause in their day. Subscribe for more mindful flows every Monday, and I will see you guys next Monday. Bye, y'all.